Hello students, this is your science class and I am Preeti Shrivastava here for explaining here chapter 7 teeth and digestion. Okay students, so this is new chapter and you know teeth, everyone knows, every student knows what is teeth, and digestion, you also know digestion, but we will discuss in this chapter detailed study about teeth and digestion, means importance of teeth, structure of a tooth and different types of teeth. So in this chapter we will discuss in these topics. First is importance of teeth, why teeth is important, and second is types of teeth and their function, means कितने तरह के teeth होते हैं और उनके function क्या हैं, and third one is parts of a tooth. Okay, आपका जो एक tooth है उसके कितने parts में वो divide है, and fourth one is structure of a tooth, and number 5 taking care of teeth, means how can we shape our teeth. So in this chapter 7 we will discuss these points, and okay, so let us begin our first point, importance of teeth. Do you know why teeth is important? Yes, teeth is important because first, number 1, first point I am discussing here, teeth, importance of teeth. Teeth help in chewing and biting food. Okay, so first point is biting of food. Teeth help in chewing and biting of food. And second point is teeth help in speaking. What is the second point, students? Teeth help in speaking. Okay, and third point is they make our face look good. Okay, so students, you understand why teeth is important? These 3 points is important. First one is teeth help in chewing and biting of food, मतलब उसको काटने में हेल्प करते हैं दांत किसी भी फूड को, एंड टीथ हेल्प इन स्पीकिंग, एंड टीथ मेक आवर फेस लुक गुड. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट point why teeth, importance of teeth. So you understand कि teeth is help in chewing and biting food, and teeth help in speaking, and they make our face look and good. And students, do you know a human get 2 times of teeth set in their life? How? Means first is temporary या milk teeth, and second is permanent teeth. Okay, so first is, okay students, you understand why teeth is important? Again I am repeating here, teeth help in cutting and chewing of food. Second, teeth help in speaking and they make our face look good. Understand? And do you know, a human get two types of set of teeth in their life. First one is milk teeth. Which one? Milk teeth. And they are also called temporary teeth. Temporary teeth. Okay. And first, these milk teeth in a human arises in month of 6 to 10 months started, and till 6 or 7 years child has got 20 milk teeth. How many milk teeth? A pair of set 20 milk teeth. Okay. And second one is permanent teeth. Which one? Permanent teeth. These teeth replace milk teeth and grows permanent teeth, and in each jaw 16 teeth arises and total 32 teeth has in a human. Okay, so how many types of teeth? Teeth help in cutting and chewing of food. Teeth help in speaking, and they make our face look and good. And milk teeth and permanent teeth grows first, and human gets both teeth in their life, and milk teeth's number as 20 and permanent teeth has 32. In each jaw 16 and these are 10 in each jaw. Okay, and we will discuss next point is different types of teeth, means types of teeth. Students, second point is different types of teeth and their functions, means teeth के कितने प्रकार हैं और उनके function क्या हैं. And first, there are 4 types of teeth. How many types of teeth? 4 types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. How many types of teeth? 4 types of teeth are there: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. Students, I am explaining this ki what is the function of these teeth and location, means in your mouth where is what is the location of teeth in your mouth, incisors, canines, and in each jaw how many teeth are there, and total number teeth and shape of teeth, means we will give discuss here detailed study of incisors. First function, first types of teeth is incisor, and what is the function? Function of incisor: chewing and biting of food and biting. Okay, and location in front, in your mouth in front, incisors teeth you can see. Okay, and in each jaw how many incisors are there? In each jaw 4 lower jaw and 4 in upper jaw, 4. And how many total teeth are there? Incisor 8. total teeth 8 and shape is chisel shape. Okay, so understand, first is incisor and function chewing and biting, location in front of your mouth and in each jaw 4 upper jaw and lower jaw 4 teeth, total 8 teeth and shape chisel shape. Okay, and second one is canines. And what is the function of canines? You know, okay, function of canine is tearing of food. And location, what is the location of? Next to incisor. Next to incisors. Okay, tearing of food, tearing and next to incisors, canine's teeth. Okay, and how many teeth in each jaw? 2 teeth in upper jaw and 2 teeth in lower jaw, and total number of teeth of canines 4 teeth. How many teeth? 4 teeth. And shape of canines sharp and pointed. Okay, so this is second type of teeth, and third one is premolar. And what is the function of premolar? Function of crushing and chewing. Okay, and location next to incisors. Next to incisors. Premolars function crushing and chewing, and next to incisors in each jaw 4 teeth. How many teeth? 4. Okay, and total number of teeth, it is also 8. And shape broad and flat. Okay, so understand, third types of teeth, function is crushing and chewing, and location is next to incisors, and in each jaw 4 teeth, upper jaw 4 and lower jaw also, and total number of teeth 8, and shape of teeth broad and flat. And last one, fourth number, molars, and function is chewing and grinding. Okay, and back to the mouth in last. Back to the mouth. And how many teeth in each jaw? 6. In upper jaw 6 teeth, and lower jaw it also 6 teeth, and total number of teeth 12, and shape of this flat. So students, you understand different types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars and molars, and function of these teeth and location, and in each jaw number of in each jaw, and total number of teeth, and shape of these teeth. These are 32 teeth in total, a set of in a mouth, and 16 in upper jaw and 16 in lower jaw. So okay, I hope you understand ki what is the different types of teeth and their function. Students, third point of is this chapter, parts of a tooth. As you can see diagram, parts of a tooth and parts of a tooth. There are three parts in a tooth. Mean, first one is crown. This is called crown. This is visible part of your mouth and it is called crown. And it is white color, visible, and above the gum line, that is called crown. And this one part is root. This part is called root of a tooth. And where root and crown meet, and this part is called, this point is called neck. Okay, so tooth of a part is divided into three parts: crown, and second is neck, and third one is root. Okay, as you can see in diagram, crown, it is white visible part. Okay, and it lies above the gum line. Means ये जो गम लाइन है उनके ऊपर का जो स्ट्रक्चर है, दिस इज कॉल्ड क्राउन. एंड जहाँ पर ये गम लाइन, क्राउन एंड गम लाइन मिल रहे हैं, वो दिस पार्ट इज कॉल्ड नेक. और बिलो द गम लाइन मीन्स जो गम लाइन से नीचे है, दिस इज कॉल्ड रूट. तो अ सिंगल tooth, a tooth is divided into three main parts: crown, neck and root. This is, it is below, lies below gum line. And neck is where crown and root meet. So you understand the structure of a tooth. There are three main parts of a tooth: crown, visible part and white part of your, when you open your mouth you will see this part. Okay, and this one is root part and this one is neck part. Okay, so I think you understand what is the parts of a tooth. And students, next point is structure of a tooth. As you can see in this diagram, structure of a tooth, and this structure of a tooth divides into main three layers. First one is enamel, and second is dentine, and third is pulp. Okay, so these are three main layers of a tooth, and first is enamel. Enamel is a white layer, white hard covering of teeth, and it protects our teeth and chewing and biting of food. And second is dentine. Dentine, this is yellow layer of dentine, and dentine supports the enamel, and it supports the enamel and protects the pulp. Okay, and third one is pulp. Pulp is a third and central layer, and it contains nerves and basils. Okay, so these are three important layer in a tooth, a structure of a tooth. We can see three layers: enamel, dentine and pulp. And nerves contain, pulp contain nerves and basal nerves. So we feel toothache of by the nerves. This is the structure of a tooth. Okay, three main layers: dentile, enamel and pulp. And students, next topic is taking care of teeth. मीन्स हमें अपने टीथ्स को कैसे उनकी केयर करनी है. नंबर फर्स्ट पॉइंट, ब्रश योर टीथ ट्वाइस अ डे. यू नो वेरी वेल कि ब्रश योर टीथ ट्वाइस अ डे मीन्स in morning and before going to bed. Okay, and number 2, rinse your mouth after every meal. आप जब भी कुछ खाना खाते हैं उसके बाद रिंस करना है आपके अपने माउथ को. ओके, एंड नंबर 3, यूज अ डेंटल फ्लॉस टू क्लियर बिटवीन द टीथ. Sometimes food is stuck in your teeth, so we will use dental floss to clear between the teeth. Okay, and fourth point is eat lots of fruits and vegetables. They make the teeth strong. It is the very important and compulsory कि we every day we eat fruits and vegetables, and they help and they protect our body also from disease, and they make our teeth strong. And number 5 is drink milk every day. It has calcium. कैल्शियम मिलता है हमें मिल्क से. मेक टीथ स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड वाइट, जो हमारे टीथ को स्ट्रॉन्ग रखते हैं और वाइट. एंड विजिट अ डेंटिस्ट एट लीस्ट वंस इन a 6 month. Means at least in a 6 month, in 6 month we want to visit, करना ही चाहिए, we should visit in a dentist to check up our teeth. Okay, so these are the main points. Again I am repeating: brush your teeth twice a day, rinse your mouth after every meal, and use a dental floss to clean between the teeth, and eat lots of fruits and vegetables. They make the teeth strong. And drink milk every day. It has calcium, and calcium makes our teeth strong and white. And 6 point, visit a dentist at least once in 6 months. So if we follow these points, so our teeth will be healthy. Okay, so this is the taking care of teeth. Understand, students? Students, and in last point of this chapter, digestion. Do you know digestion? Digestion is a process by which the food is broken down into simpler substances in our body is called digestion. मीन्स डाइजेशन की प्रोसेस होती है कि जिसमें फूड को हम सिंपलर सब्सटेंस में ब्रोक कर तोड़ के फूड का डाइजेशन होता है. दिस इज कॉल्ड digestion. The process by which the food is broken down into simpler substances in our body is called digestion. And digestion process is start from our mouth. So first point is mouth. We eat food and start digestion from our mouth. In mouth, three parts help in digestion. First is teeth, and second is saliva, and next is tongue. In mouth, these three parts help to digestion. First is teeth. Teeth is chewing and biting of food. Saliva, excreted by salivary glands. These salivary glands present in our mouth. So saliva mix in food and it makes food soft. Okay, and third is tongue. Tongue help the saliva and food to mix and uh, push the food into next part of digestive system. Number two, second part is food pipe. After then mouth, food comes in food pipe, and food pipe attached with mouth and stomach. Okay, so this food pipe pass food to stomach, and stomach is a big uh, bag like structure, and it is the very important part of our digestive system. And food food here 3 or 4 hours keep stay here, and some digestive juices mix in stomach and broken down in simpler small to small pieces. Again then stomach send food in small intestine, and tube like structure. And in when food is in small intestine, pancreas and liver mix some juices, and small intestine absorb the main points of digestive systems: mouth, food pipe, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. So understand students, this is the digestive system. Okay.